At last! Chocolate chip cookies are done. Stop! These cookies are not for you. These cookies are for my laboratory rats. These cookies contain the wonderful formula X29 and are not meant for human species, especially a lower species of sea stars such as yourself. Thusly, I reiterate, the chocolate chip cookies are only for my rats. Do you understand that? No? Are you a rat?